Ratio and proportion, possible operation in ratio. A is to B equal to 2 is to 3, B is to C equal to 5 is to 7 in yield. A is to B is to C equal to what? I am going to solve this sum. Two models. Let it be see how to solve this sum. A place I have written 2, B place I have written 3. Same, one step 11 I have written B, C values. Now, left into right side, that is the downwards, should multiply. 2 5s are 10 should write as well as in the A down. Now, down into up should multiply. 5 3s are 15. Now, up into right side should multiply. 3 7s are 21. So, that is the answer. 10 is to 15 is to 21. Now, second model, which is very easy. We got 2, 3, BC value. One step 11 should write same as well as. Left side what number we got? 3. Right side we got empty place, should write as well as. In the right hand side we got 5. Left hand side we got empty place, should write right hand side values. And both up and down should multiply. And writing the down, 5 2s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21. Same answer we will get. Now, second question, same as well as. A is to B, 5 is to 9, B is to C value. The values are given here. Let it be see how to solve this sum. 5 is to 9. I am writing the first step. Next, 4 is to 7. One step should leave and write 4, 7. Now, 5 4s are. After 4 9s are. After 9 7s are. Now, 5 4s are 20. A place as usual should write. B place down into up. 4 9s are 36. Now, 9 7s are 63. We got this answer. 20 is to 36 is to 63. Now, same second model. We know that 5, 9, 4, 7. Empty place should write same value in the left hand side and empty place should write right hand side value. Both should multiply up into down. 5 4s are 20. 9 4s are 36. 9 7s are 63. That's all. Same answer we got.